everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a piece of cloth and cut it to make the upper part of the dress. Now take another piece of cloth and fold it and make a triangle. Cut it from the top and the sides to make the frock. Now paste the sides and the top together. Make its collar and it's ready. Next, take a red color cloth and fix them together like this. Sew it and then turn it upside down or inside out like this, and then make its handle and your purse or the bag is ready. Next, take a orange color cloth, put the sole over it and then cut it from the sides in the same shape. Now follow the same step for the other pair and then cut it by drawing the lines like this. Now cut it from the sides very carefully as shown in the video. Remove the extra cloth, give it a shape. Now draw the line in the middle and then cut it like this. Join them together, fix it on the top and sew it like this, and it's ready. So we'll take a cloth, fold it like this, cut it in the same shape as shown in the video, paste it from the sides, make few more as such, and now cover it and your hat is ready. Next, take another piece of cloth, paste them together or join it like this, cut it into shape of a circle. Now cut it from the sides and paste them like this. Now turn it inside out and give it a boundary like this. Now take small pieces of cloth and fix it on the top, and it's ready. Next, take a pink color cloth and then cut it from the side like this. Draw the lines very carefully, open it and then give it a shape as shown in the video. Now again fold it from the between and stick them or stitch them together, and it's ready. Next, take a cloth, cut it like this, open it and give it a shape on the top. Now cut it like this from the between, fold it and then make the pockets and your jacket is ready. Next, take a cloth, cut it like this and stitch them together. Now stitch it from the sides. Now turn it inside out, fold it and your bag is ready. Next, we have to take a cloth, fold it like this. Fix it from the sides by cutting it as shown in the video. Remove the extra cloth. Now cut it from the bottom section as well. Fold it after opening it. Now stitch it at the ends and then cover it like this, and your pant is ready. Next, take a cloth, cut it from the top, give it a shape of a collar on it. Now open it and stitch it like this. Stitch it from both the sides in the middle and your jacket is ready. Next, take a cloth, cut it from the sides like this. Now draw a line in the between and fold it. Now press it and collect them together. Cut it from the top. Now again draw the line and cut it. Now open it and fold it like this. And then stitch it from the side, and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more designs using the cloth. So fold it like this, fold it and then cut it in the same shape. Now remove it and open it. Now again fix it inside, join it on the sides like this, and your top is almost ready. Next, we'll be taking a cloth as shown in the video or a jeans and cut it like this. Now cut it from the top as well. Now take the pieces of the clothes and then join them like this. Cut it from the bottom section and your skirt is ready. Cut it from the top, give it a shape. Now open it. Give the lining on the sides and the top is ready. Next, take a green color cloth, cut it from the top like this. Remove the extra cloth. After removing it, cut it from the other section as well. Now cut it from the other side. Open it and give it a shape as shown in the video. Now open the cloth. Now fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.